Hi everyone, just a quick video on how to make your own tea towels. It's pretty quick and easy to do. I bought this fabric, it's drapery backing fabric from Joann Fabrics the other day. I've been getting tea towels off of Amazon and having to return them. They're so thin or they're dingy looking, so I thought I'm going to try making my own. So I first started with a piece of this fabric cut 19 inches by 29 inches, and that gives me enough for a 1/2 inch hem, but I double folded it, so I did a 1/4 inch first. I just pressed it with this little hem gauge to 1/4 inch, and then folded it again at 1/2 inch. So I did that on both sides and then on the ends, and I added this little tab, what do you call it, label, cotton label that my daughter actually designed for me on Canva. So then I just stitched the sides first and then the ends, and in probably less than 15 minutes, cute little tea towel, and it measures completed sewn 18 inches by 27 inches. And I find that's a pretty good size for embroidering things on too, and giving them as gifts.